This is example 5 from section 6.5. Today we are going to look at condensing a logarithmic expression. So it's going to be the opposite of expanding. And again, we're going to use the properties that we looked at from example 3. So I'm going to kind of go backwards from what we did with example 4. So the last step that we did from example 4 was we did the power property. So it looks very similar to example 4. So I have log 9 plus 3 log 2 minus log 3. So I'm going to do the opposite of what we did here. This obviously isn't going to always be the case, but that's how I'm going to work through this. Is I see that it's very similar to this, so I'm going to use the reverse process. So that means that I'm going to do the power property first. So I'm going to work on this. So I'm going to have log 9 plus, I'm going to take this 3 and put it back as an exponent. So this becomes log 2 raised to the third power minus log 3. So then the other thing that we did was we took our two things that were multiplied together and we changed them to addition. So I'm going to do opposite of that. So this becomes log of 9 times 2 to the third minus log of 3 . When we see the subtraction sign, that is our quotient property. So that means that this expression goes below this expression. So this is log of 9 times 2 to the 3 over log of 3. And the other last step that we can take, there's a couple steps actually. I'm going to put log out in front. And then I have 9 times 2 cubed over 3. So I've taken the log out of both the numerator and denominator and put it out front. And then I can, since these are all numbers, there's no letters involved whatsoever, I'm going to simplify this even more. So this is 2 to the third, which is 8. So 9 times 8 is 72 divided by 3 gives us 24. So this simplified all the way down is log of 24. If there's not a base indicated, we're going to assume that that's base 10. And you can actually calculate this. So if you were asked to give an actual numeric expression, you could by typing into your calculator log of 24, and that is approximately 1.38.